Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that our tofu is crispy, it's time to make that delicious vinegar sauce that gives it the perfect tang. Let's dive right in. Preparing the tofu. Start with firm or extra firm tofu. This is non-negotiable. Soft tofu won't hold up, and silken tofu will crumble before it hits the pan. Press the tofu. Wrap it in a clean kitchen towel or paper towels, then place a heavy object, like a cast iron skillet, on top. Let it press for 20-30 minutes to remove excess water. The drier the tofu, the crispier it gets. Cut evenly. Slice the tofu into 1-inch cubes. Uniform pieces ensure even cooking, no burnt edges or soggy centers. Optional secret. For chewier texture, freeze the tofu after pressing. Thaw it, squeeze out extra moisture, then cube it. This creates tiny pockets that crisp up like magic. Pro tip. Toss the cubes lightly in cornstarch or arrowroot powder before frying. This thin coating locks in moisture while adding extra crunch. Frying techniques for crispy results. The key to perfect fried tofu? Heat control. Too low, and it turns greasy. Too high, and it burns before cooking through. Oil choice. Use a neutral oil with a high smoke point, like peanut, canola, or avocado oil. These won't overpower the tofu's mild flavor. Pan method. Heat 1/4 inch of oil in a skillet over medium-high until shimmering. Add tofu in a single layer, leaving space between pieces. Fry 3-4 minutes per side until golden brown. Flip gently with tongs. Deep fry shortcut. For extra crispiness, submerge tofu in 375 degrees Fahrenheit oil for 2-3 minutes. Drain on a wire rack to keep it crunchy. Resist the urge to stir constantly. Let each side develop a crust before flipping. Crafting the perfect vinegar sauce. A great sauce ties everything together. You want tangy, sweet, and savory in every bite, so balance is key. Basic vinegar sauce recipe. Rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar or honey, minced garlic, grated ginger, optional, chopped green onion. Whisk everything in a bowl. For heat, add chili flakes or a dash of sriracha. Too tangy? A splash of water or sesame oil mellows it out. Serving idea. Drizzle the sauce over hot tofu so it soaks in slightly. Garnish with cilantro or toasted sesame seeds for freshness. The beauty of this dish? You can tweak it endlessly. Try adding a spoonful of peanut butter for creaminess or a squeeze of lime for brightness. Creative variations of the dish. Fried tofu with vinegar is like a blank canvas. It welcomes bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and personal twists. Whether you crave heat, sweetness, or garden-fresh crunch, these creative upgrades keep the dish exciting. Spicy fried tofu with vinegar. Turn up the heat by infusing your vinegar sauce with fiery ingredients. The contrast between the crisp tofu and a spicy kick makes each bite addictive. Chili oil. Drizzle store-bought or homemade chili oil over the tofu for instant heat and glossy richness. Sriracha or sambal. Whisk a teaspoon into the vinegar sauce for a garlicky, tangy spice. Fresh chilies. Thinly slice Thai bird's eye chilies or jalapenos and toss them with the fried tofu. For an extra layer, marinate the tofu in a mix of soy sauce, vinegar, and crushed red pepper before frying. The spice seeps into every nook. Sweet and sour tofu option. Balance tangy vinegar with a touch of sweetness for a crowd-pleasing twist. This version works especially well with kids or anyone who prefers milder flavors. Easy sweet and sour sauce. Rice vinegar, brown sugar or honey ketchup, soy sauce, minced garlic. Simmer until the sugar dissolves, then toss with fried tofu. Add pineapple chunks or bell peppers for a pop of color and texture. Incorporating fresh herbs and vegetables. Brighten the dish by adding herbs and veggies. They bring freshness, crunch, and vibrancy to the rich tofu and sharp vinegar. Herb toss. Fold in chopped cilantro, Thai basil, or mint right before serving. Quick pickled veggies. Thinly slice cucumbers, carrots, or radishes, then soak them in vinegar with a pinch of sugar and salt for 10 minutes. Serve alongside the tofu. Leafy greens. Serve the tofu over a bed of baby spinach or shredded cabbage for a light, crunchy contrast. Try topping your bowl with crushed peanuts or sesame seeds for extra texture. The best part? You can mix and match based on what's in your fridge. Health benefits and nutritional insights. Fried tofu with vinegar isn't just tasty, it packs a serious nutritional punch. The combination of protein-rich tofu and gut-friendly vinegar makes this dish a smart choice for anyone looking to eat well without sacrificing flavor. Let's break down why this duo works so well for your body. Protein-rich tofu. Tofu is a powerhouse of plant-based protein, making it a great option for vegans, vegetarians, or anyone cutting back on meat. A single 3-ounce serving of fried tofu delivers about 8 grams of protein, comparable to an egg or a glass of milk. Why does this matter? Protein keeps you full longer, reducing mindless snacking. It supports muscle repair, especially after workouts. Unlike fatty meats, tofu provides protein without saturated fat or cholesterol. Tofu also contains all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your body can't make on its own. Pair it with whole grains or veggies, and you've got a complete meal. Digestive benefits of vinegar. Vinegar isn't just for flavor, it's a digestive aid with centuries of use in traditional medicine. The acetic acid in vinegar helps break down food, making nutrients easier to absorb. Key perks. Probiotic potential. Unpasteurized vinegar, like raw apple cider vinegar, contains mother, a mix of beneficial bacteria that supports gut health. Blood sugar control. Studies suggest vinegar may slow carbohydrate digestion, preventing spikes in blood sugar. Low-calorie tang. At just 3 calories per tablespoon, vinegar adds bold flavor without empty calories. For maximum benefits, opt for high-quality, unfiltered vinegars like black vinegar or organic apple cider vinegar. Balancing flavors for a healthy meal. The magic of this dish lies in its balance. Tofu's mild creaminess soaks up vinegar's sharpness, creating a meal that satisfies without overloading your system. Here's how it stacks up. Low in refined carbs. Unlike fried foods coated in batter, plain tofu fried in minimal oil keeps carbs in check. Heart-healthy fats. Using oils like peanut or avocado adds unsaturated fats, which support cholesterol levels. Customizable nutrients. Toss in herbs, veggies, or seeds, and you'll boost fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. This isn't just another fried snack. It's a meal that fuels your body while pleasing your taste buds. Fried tofu with vinegar proves that simple ingredients can create something extraordinary. It's crispy, tangy, and packed with plant-based protein, making it a dish that satisfies both taste buds and nutrition goals. Whether you stick to the classic recipe or experiment with spicy, sweet, or herb-packed versions, the possibilities are endless. Ready to give it a try? Grab a block of tofu and your favorite vinegar, then make it your own. Share your twists in the comments or tag us in your kitchen creations. Looking for more tofu inspiration? Check out our other recipes for bold, flavorful meals that never disappoint. Happy frying! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.